What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys been? I've been pretty good. Today I am doing excessive amounts of unboxings. Today we're going to start with the unboxing of the viral fragrances of the day, or what I think will be viral fragrances. So some of these I've heard a lot about. Others I think are going to become viral fragrances because of how they were dropped. Essentially, these are the top viral fragrances of the now, of the moment. So let's start with one that I think you've heard about. It started becoming popular earlier this year, but I think it's going to be a good summer fragrance. We're talking about Qaed Island. Normally, how this goes is usually I spray, I give you my first impressions, give you a general vibe, and then I move on. This is not a video that will take a long time. But let's start with the notes because they're right here. So, the top notes are pineapple, iris, ginger, and cypress. The heart notes are coconut and woodsy notes. And the base notes are amber, ambergris, tonka beans, and sandalwood. Okay, so the coconut and the pineapple are very interesting to me. So this should be pina colada goodness. So let's take a bottle out. And this is what we are encountering. This beautiful green, emerald green bottle. It's very pretty. It's a very beautiful little bottle. The videos don't really do it justice when I saw it online. I've seen multiple videos of it on TikTok and YouTube. It always looks kind of cheap when you see it online, but actually it's a pretty decent looking bottle. It's very pretty looking. It's a lot better looking than I thought it looked online. But let's do a sniff test of this one and see what the hype is about, what everybody's been talking about for the past few months. So let's sniff. Okay, this needed no priming. It immediately started spraying. What I'm getting off the top, to be honest with you, is a little bit astringent. I'm not getting a lot of pineapple. I'm getting like a very strong citrus note, but not really pineapple. The citrus and the pineapple is mixing with like the alcohol, and it's getting a very acidic note, kind of astringent, kind of like cleaning supply note. I think this needs to mellow out a little bit before I can get a real vibe of the smell. So I'm gonna let this chill out a little bit. But so far, the original blast is not my favorite. So let's wait for this to chill out. I'm gonna wait for this to chill out and then give it a second impression. But the original spray did not impress me. The next one that was like a viral sensation. I'm not like most perfume people that I'm like, oh my god, and make faces or whatever. Like, I'll be honest with you guys, if this didn't impress me in the start, it didn't impress me in the start. I'm not gonna make faces, I'm not gonna make like, oh my god, this is the best fragrance ever. I haven't heard anything about this fragrance, but I saw it once on TikTok and it caught my attention. And then when I saw it online and I read the notes, it seemed very interesting to me. It's like one of those pure caramel, pure gourmand fragrances that always sells well. So this is Molten Caramel by Paris Corner. This is the bottle of Molten Caramel by Paris Corner. This is like a sophisticated version of the, what is it called? It's like a sophisticated version of Caramel Cascade. It's a much prettier bottle than the Caramel Cascade bottle. So I enjoy this bottle a lot more. The lid, it feels very cheap. This is a hollow lid, but the bottle itself feels pretty luxe. I like this bottle a lot. So let's do a quick spray of this and see what this is giving us. Also didn't need to be primed. Whew. Jesus, guys. See, like I said, I don't make faces unless I actually mean it. This is not something I like exaggerate. This is pure, dripping, sweet, beautiful caramel. So when they say it's molten caramel, this is molten, pure, photorealistic caramel. This is Maita, but in fragrance form. This is really good. I really enjoy this one. On first blast, it smells like a very deep, luxurious caramel. I wouldn't call it lactonic. I'm just calling it pure caramel. That's the one note I'm getting. Pure, unadulterated, unapologetic, straight to your face caramel, which is fantastic. It's like the most photorealistic caramel ever, and I really enjoy it. This is what Paris Corner's Caramel Cascade wishes it could be. Very good. I love that a lot. I'm gonna wait till it mellows out to see if other notes come out, because right now all I'm getting is pure caramel. So let's see if something else comes out in this fragrance. Moving on to the next one. I'm gonna leave the two most anticipated scents for the end, but the next one I'm gonna look for is Mysterium by also Paris Corner, I believe. Yep. Mysterium by Paris Corner. This is a very funky looking box. I kind of dig this box. This looks like a, it's giving me 70s vibes for some reason. So opening this box up, and what we have inside is, ooh, that is a bitchin' bottle. Look at that. That is a very cool bottle. I love that bottle a lot. I am vibing with that bottle quite a bit. This doesn't say the notes, so I can't tell you what the notes are, but vibing with that bottle. Okay, so let's give it a sniff. This one did need to be primed. I'm gonna need to search this up because I'm getting passion fruit, maybe? Rose, maybe? What does this have? Because this smells really good. It smells fruity, it smells sweet, it smells... I'm sorry, I'm putting stuff away. Okay, so this smells really interesting. It smells fruity, it smells floral, but it's not the typical white florals. Kind of like a rose. I'm thinking passion fruit. Let me see, Mysterium. Let's see what this is supposed to have. According to this, yep, passion fruit, nice. So the perfume starts, it has a, go away, aroma concepts. Okay, so the perfume has passion fruit, bergamot, and cinnamon, rose, incense, and leather, sandalwood, labdanum, and patchouli. So I got the passion fruit and the rose spot on. That is really nice. I really like that. This is, I think, very similar to Azure Oud in that original scent, but I can actually perceive the passion fruit very strongly here. But in Azure Oud, I complained a lot that I couldn't sense the passion fruit. In this one, that's what I got immediately, and then that rose came in and gave it like a little hug. It's very good. I am 100% vibing with this. This is a great, I think this would be a great summer scent, but a sophisticated summer because there's that leather there. There's also a sweetness coming in now that I'm very into. I'm interested to see how this evolves with time and how long it lasts, because right now I'm really digging this and I love this bottle. I don't know about this, what about this bottle is giving me so much joy, but I really like this bottle. It's very cool. I really like this. I'm really excited for that perfume. I'm excited for that one. The next two are the ones that I think have the most hype so far, and they're both by Lattafa, so of course they have so much hype. The next one is Qaed Al Fursan, or Qaed Al Fursan Untold, I think it's called? Untamed. Qaed Al Fursan, or Qaed Al Fursan Untamed. This one is a brand new release. This one came out like a few minutes ago. I got it, and here it is. It's a little, oh, this one's clear. You can see through it. Cool. So this one's clear bottle. It's brown and clear. Has that classic magnetic top. Very simple bottle. Very inexpensive. Very cool. I'm getting leather. That's 100% leather I'm getting. What else am I getting? Honestly, what I'm getting is the most is leather. I'm getting a very strong but mellow, if that makes sense, punch of leather with possibly some woody and citrus there. It smells very nice. It smells very manly, but subdued manly. It's not super aggressive. It's almost creamy. What is this supposed to have? What does this have? It has cinnamon, mandarin, nutmeg, cardamom, caramel, geranium, lavender, clary sage, cypress, molybdenum, labdanum, amber, vetiver, and cedarwood. Weird. I'm getting like leather. Supposedly no leather here, but honestly I'm getting like pretty decent like little leather note that is apparently no leather there, but it's very good. It gives me woody, it gives me like dark vibes. It's very manly, but kind of cowboy manly, kind of like subdued darkness. I really like that. Honestly, it still gives me leather vibes. I don't know why. I think maybe it's an association thing, but it's very good. I like it a lot. It's honestly, it probably smells the cheapest out of the four. Like doesn't smell the highest quality out of the four, but it's very good. And then the last one is Lattafa Dukhang or Dukhang. I don't know. Lattafa Camera Dukhang or Dukhang. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. Honestly, I apologize in advance for not pronouncing it correctly, but Dukhang. So it has the classic presentation for the Amra thing, but this bottle has this ombre red bottom. I don't know if you can see that. I already tried this. This is the only one I couldn't resist trying. I tried it yesterday and I wore it for the whole day. So this is the only one I tried already. So I'm not gonna lie to you and say this is my first impression. This would be my second impression. And my thoughts on this are interesting. It's very close to Kamra. Very, very, very close to Kamra. Like super close to Kamra. I think Kamra Kawa has more distinctive notes than Kamra. This has, I think, a little bit, this is a little spicier. This is a little warmer than Kamra. But other people, I don't think like this as much as I did. While I was wearing this, a lot of people made comments about something smelling strange in the air and then noticing that it was me wearing this. So something in this was not jiving with people, or at least my chemistry with this was not jiving with people that well. I like it. It's just, it's a little spicier, a little warmer, a little more aggressive than Kamra and Kamra Kawa. I don't think it's my favorite out of the three. I think my favorite is still Kamra, my second is Kawa, and this would be my third favorite based on first impressions. I still need to wear it a couple of days to make sure, but on first impression, this is like, it tickles my nose. It's very spicy. It's very strong spicy. The Kamra Dokhang has spices, pimento, mandarin, incense, labdanum, orange blossom, patchouli, tobacco, praline, amber, tonka bean, and benzoin. It's like it has a lot of very aggressive notes, and you can kind of pick that up. But like the smokiness, the spice, the tobacco, all that's kind of fighting for your attention, and that's a lot. It's a lot. So I think a lot of it is like coming off as kind of discordant and unpleasant at certain times. Like right now, it's kind of literally bugging my nose while I smell it, and it's not really, like, it's not on top of me. It's right there, like a few inches away from me, and it's bothering my nose. It's not bad. It's just strong. I'm gonna go down the line one more time, give you a second thought about all of them, and then we'll finish with the video. And hopefully, if you have any opinions about what you want me to like do a full review on, just let me know. Qaed Island, interesting. This has mellowed out a little bit, but I'm not 100% sure what I'm smelling. It's a little spicy and a little floral. I got no coconut from this. I got like pineapple, spice, and floral notes. That's generally what I'm getting. I'm hoping that with time, I'm gonna get a little bit of more coconut, a little bit more warmth. This does seem tropical, but it seems, because it's bright and airy, I kind of want it to be a little bit warmer. I want that coconut creaminess to come in a little bit more. Right now, I'm not getting that. I want that to come in a little bit more and be more aggressive with me. But overall, it's a pleasant scent. It's a nice scent. Is it my favorite scent? Probably not. It feels like it's leaning more towards feminine than male. I don't think it's like a completely neutral scent. It's decent. I like it. I don't... First impression, maybe I would give it 8. Yeah, like an 8. It's good. I'm hoping with a little bit of time, like a week or so, or 2, it mellows out a little bit more, because it just traveled and whatever. But I like it. It's decent. And I really like this bottle. So cool. Plus, it might be wear differently on my skin or on my clothes, and with time, like in dry down, might change completely, because I'm just giving you my first impression. Next, throwing that away. Next is the Molten Caramel. God damn, this smells good. Jesus, now it smells almost salty, like salted caramel. Oh my God, this smells so good. Yeah, this smells like salted caramel at this point. This is really, really good. This would be great layering scent. This is a great, delicious scent. Like, I would spray this in my mouth if I thought it would taste like this. It's really, really good. Love this one, but I'm a sucker for gourmands. I am a bitch for gourmands, and I love this scent. Great, love this one. This is a 10 out of 10 for me right now. And I don't think I really like Paris Corner scents all that much, so I'm excited for that one. And now for the other one I got excited for, which is also Paris Corner. Mysterium. Okay, weird. This has kind of mellowed out to like a musty, fruity, dirty, rosy type of thing. It's interesting. It's a nutty. It's a weird mix of things together. Like a nutty, rosy, musty, fruity thing. It's a very strange combination of things. It's not an expected combination. I'm interested in it just because it's not a common combination of scents. It reminds me a little bit of Azure Oud, but it's a little bit different in its vibe and what it's going for. It's almost peanut buttery, even though I don't think there's peanut in this. It's good. I really like this a lot. I'm gonna try this. I'm excited to try this out and kind of explore this more. That's a vibe. I like that one a lot. Next one is Qaed Al Fursan. I don't know why I'm still getting like leather out of this. Does vetiver ever smell like leather? No. I have no idea. Something in here gives me leather vibes. Is it cardamom? Does cardamom ever smell like leather? I don't know. Something in here, a mix of scents in here, gives me leathery vibes, but like bright leathery vibes. And there's like a warmth in here that's really nice. There's like a sweetness in here that's really nice. I like it. It doesn't feel cheapy anymore. It feels better, more luxurious. I'm vibing with this. This is a good, bright, leathery, warm scent. I like this a lot. And the last one is Hamra. Yeah, this is basically Hamra, but aggressive and spicy and kind of like Hamra if Hamra was angry. You know what I mean? This feels like an angry Hamra. So, good. I think it smells good, but it's not my favorite Hamra at this point. Maybe I'll change my mind when I do a longer wear test, but at this point it's not my favorite. Tell me what you think, guys. These were the ones that were on my radar the most. Let me know if you want me to review any of these more in depth soon, so I can bump them up in the queue. Remember, the sense of subjective. What I like isn't necessarily what you like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.